Myself, after school I would come home, my parents would be out working, and I would just scrounge around the fridge, and what else was there besides the kimchi, the American cheese, Kraft Singles cheese, and then rice. Just started to pull everything together, and we had bountiful amounts of kimchi. And you literally just, I don't know how I came up with it, I just put it rice on the spoon, kimchi on the spoon, Kraft Singles on a spoon, into literally little squares, like a little sandwich. Still good.